Hi, it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I am going to show you how to make vegetable chow mein, and these are the ingredients you need. A half red pepper, 1 small onion, 1 small carrot, 2 cloves of garlic, ginger. I use napa, but you can use any other type of vegetable. Salt, sugar, cornstarch, water, chow mein, oyster sauce, dark soy, light soy, oil, and sesame oil. Okay, I have 3/4 full of a pot of water, and I am going to cook it and using high heat, wait until it boils. All my vegetable has been washed and peeled. So I'm going to cut off the pepper, start chopping to thin slices. So it's a little long, so I'm cutting it into half. Put aside. Onion also. Okay, my napa has been washed and split, and I'm stacking it all up, and I'm going to chop it up. The water is boiling now, and I'm using half a pack of the chow mein. It comes in a package of 8, and this is half a pack. It's about 225 grams. Okay, 4, and just cook according to the package. It says 3 minutes. You have to make sure the noodle is all loosened up. Okay, my noodle is ready, so I'm going to strain the noodle out. Now we're going to prepare the sauce. Half teaspoon sugar, 1/3 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon dark soy, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 2 tablespoons light soy. Mixing it together. Set aside for later use. Okay, I am cooking in medium heat. About a tablespoon of oil. Put in the onion. Cook until the aroma comes out first. The color of the onion has changed and the aroma has come out. So now I am adding in the ginger and garlic. Stir it a little until the aroma comes out too. Okay, I can smell the garlic now. So I am adding in the carrot and the stem of the vegetable, the napa, because it takes a little bit longer to cook. Cook for 2 minutes. Okay, it's been 2 minutes, like stirring. Now I can add in the rest of the ingredients. Pepper and the leaves. Mix until everything combines. So everything is mixed now, and I am going to add in the sauce we made earlier. Okay, this is like 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to clean the bowl. Mix it. Okay, I'm going to add in my noodles. Mix until all the noodle has been coated with the sauce, and it will be done. It's all mixed, and I'm going to shut off the heat. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.